Today, Peloton has announced that it will stop making their own bikes and treadmills and instead will seek to outsource all of their manufacturing. CEO Barry McCarthy said that this will allow the company to simplify its supply chain and fix its cost structure. Peloton says it plans to eliminate all in-house production and instead rely solely on outsourced manufacturing. Taiwanese manufacturer Rexon Industrial is now to become the primary manufacturer of the Peloton bike and tread. In a statement released today, Barry McCarthy wrote, "We believe that this, along with other initiatives, will allow us to continue reducing the cash burden on the business and increase our flexibility." After canceling the construction of its own production facility in Ohio, Peloton will also now be suspending all of their operations at their Tonic manufacturing plant. With all manufacturing to now be outsourced, one of the biggest unanswered questions is what will come of Peloton's $420 million acquisition of Precor. Precor is currently one of the world's largest manufacturers and suppliers of commercial fitness equipment. And while this may seem like bad news, it may be a positive, if not necessary, step for Peloton to find some stability with their cash flow issues. It may also allow Peloton to focus on what it truly excels at: great content. However, the elimination of manufacturing likely also means that the company will need to let go of more employees than the 2,800 plus that were already fired this year. And what this means for the future of the new Peloton rower or the return of the Peloton Tread Plus is unknown. Mentions of the Peloton rower were removed from Peloton's social media last month, so in my opinion, a delay is very likely, but let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.